What is the grand jury in a white-collar case? Attorney Mace Yampolsky explains. A grand jury is 16 to 23 citizens who are assembled by the prosecuting entity to determine whether or not an indictment should be filed, charging an individual with white-collar crimes. Grand juries are more common in white-collar criminal prosecutions than they are in others, usually because of the sophisticated means and resources available to the accused. The indictment procedures tend to be used when you have a high-profile case, a high-profile defendant, or a number of defendants, and it becomes unwieldy to proceed through the complaint in a preliminary hearing avenue. The difference between a grand jury indictment and prosecution through a complaint is that the prosecutor is enabled to present their case to a room full of grand jurors without defendants or defense counsel present. They have a captive audience, and they do not have to worry about pushback from the other side, which enables them to secure the filing of charges more easily. Mace Yampolsky and Associates have been helping people accused of crimes in Las Vegas, Nevada for over 40 years. Our law firm has attorneys with proven credentials, which can make a tremendous difference in the resolution of your case.